What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are finally home in New York. I'm actually currently sitting at a marina waiting to pick my dad up. He is stranded out on a boat right now with my uncle. So, yeah. Over here at a marina. But I did pick up some VP Racing fuel cans finally because I've been needing that for E85. So we got 3 of them chilling in the back of the truck. So on the way home, we're gonna stop, get 15 gallons of E, and that way we can, keep the car going for a little while. I do want to film some reactions with some hometown friends that have been following along on the build. And then I think I'm gonna throw a little meet, get everyone together. That way everyone can come see the car. Obviously I can't give rides to everyone, but we'll do what we can. All right, as I'm sitting on the couch editing this video, I'm realizing that I never really filmed any transitions to tell you guys what I was doing. So at this point, I am at my mom's house and some of her friends are there. So we're gonna give them some rides. They've kind of been following along on the build and they're all stoked for a ride. So we get them in the car and here's their reactions.
That's awesome.
Pretty quick for a Subaru, huh?
Yeah. That's fantastic. Yeah! Woo! Smell that horsepower, baby. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful.
She's a ripper.
I love it. That's amazing.
So that was on 38 pounds. The pull I did with Ann was on 48. So that's toned down quite a bit.
Oh, that's amazing. Do it again, do it again. I love it.
That's awesome.
All clear. Yeah.
All-wheel drive burnout. When can you ever do those?
Never.
I know, my sister's gonna crap her pants if she even gets in it.
Oh, no, she would, no. You can't do that to her. She would shit. She would lose it. She'd be sobbing and screaming. No.
All right, boys, a little safety brief. Was loading the car in the trailer, had the car all the way up in the trailer, and typically when I'm home, my ground's level, I'll stop, I'll put like a 2x4 behind the back wheel, and I'll push it in the rest of the way wherever I gotta go. Here, the trailer's kind of angled up, and I went to push the car up, and it rolled over that block of wood, came down out of the trailer, and ran over my foot. I was able to jump through the window and grab the e-brake, but in the meantime, kind of put my teeth through my chin. We saved the car somehow. It's like right next to the woods, but we should be all right. I was behind the car, kind of just pushing it in, and rolled over that block, came down, and I ran over to the driver's side. Kind of was over here, ran over my foot, but I mean, once it came down the ramp, thing was moving, but I was able to jump through the window. I grabbed the e-brake like right around here, and the car slid back over here, but as you can see, she's a little bit in the brush, but we should be all right. So we're gonna fire this thing up, drive it in all the way, and we should be good. So after the little mouth incident, we finally got that sealed up. Yeah, should be good to go. Not a huge deal, but we are now going to give my buddies Trent and Brady a ride in the car. And let's just say Brady's reaction is probably my favorite reaction out of everyone that's ridden in the car so far. Yeah, enjoy this. You ready? That was on 38 pounds, so that's exactly what the map set up for. turns into a total different car.
Dude, I was not expecting that. I'm like trying to brace myself, and I just go fucking right into the seat. Lacey's gonna shit herself. She's coming. That thing's gnarly. That's disgusting.
No, it is. Yeah, she came out. She was like, what are you guys doing? You okay? And we're like, yeah, we're just recording a friend.
Oh, so she came and talked to you?
She yelled from her porch. And then we were like, yeah, I thought she flipped us off. And Lacey was like, no, she did thumbs up. I was like, I think she flipped us off.
How's it going, man? Yeah. What's up from, I just car, I built this car, and giving some guys some rides.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, no, I heard. Yeah, I heard. All right, just do me a favor. We'll do it again. Yeah, all right. Nice and easy. A lot of motion. You don't want to ruin it with some hard money and work put into the car, right?
You want to go for a ride?
No. Maybe after, no.
Yeah, I don't ever really drive, you know, I try to find the safe spot and, test it out.
Up a little bit. I know I can't agree to that, right? I can't agree to that, you know, drive safe, please. Drive slow, please. How to say it?
Thank you. Alrighty, boys, so we did a couple pulls, took Brady and Trent for a ride. He was very nice, came over, you know, respectfully just told us to stop ripping down the road. We'll respect that, we'll head back. Car's holding up pretty sick. What do you think?
That's amazing, man. Absolutely incredible. It's fucking nothing you've ever felt before. It's incredible.
The Ripper.
It's a ripper.
So we're just waiting on Trent to come back, and then we'll head back to the house, let the car cool down a little bit, and yeah, I think we're gonna do a meet tomorrow. And yeah, I'm excited. First time having the car in the hometown. Real excited to see everyone's reactions.
Video.
What happened?
She came out recording all of us.
I know.
She recorded my plate, then she recorded both of us. She goes, you guys are driving like idiots. There's animals. I see wrecks over here all the time. And I'm like, we're literally taking precaution. We're waiting for cars to get out of the way. Nothing's happening. You guys have done this 3 different times already. So this is the last time. And he comes around the corner, talks to him. She's yelling, literally just full on yelling at him. She's like, driving like idiots. He's out here recording them multiple times. And I'm like, we're literally not doing anything. You come down the hill, he's like, all right, I'll just talk to him. So she goes down in her car and starts recording. She was recording while the cop was talking to him. I'm like, there's no way, bro.
The cop literally said, I got him clocked at 40 right now.
Yeah, as you're coming down the hill, as he's coming down the hill, she goes, I have him clocked at 48. He's not speeding right now.
He lost his wheel
Dude, my whole inner fender came out.
No.
The whole upper of it.
She was mad.
She was so pissed. I told
She
you
was
she flipped
screaming
us
when-
off.
I didn't think she
When we were
She
leaving,
flipped us off.
when
She
we
was
were
standing
leaving,
there.
she flipped me off. I'm like,
Told you she flipped us off. Lacey's like, no, she did thumbs up. I'm like, bullshit.
well,
I was gonna delete the inner fenders anyways, so the road did it for me.
Weight reduction.
it was
Yeah.
nasty, bro. It was worth it. Definitely worth it.
We'll get you in it before I leave.
Right.
All right, boys. So I'm over at my buddy Trent's house right now. We're getting the car all cleaned up for the meet tonight, and yeah, we got some free service going on over here. Here, promote yourself, buddy. What do you got going on here?
We do car detailing. We do a little bit of everything. We go full inside details, full exteriors, ceramic coat, exterior wax, run through the whole car quick. Pretty much hit every spot on your car, inside and out. Take some seats out, do refinish carpets, refinish seats. Try to get as much stains as possible as we can, get out of the seats, bring the car back to life, make sure that it looks brand new as the car came off the dealer with. So
How can they get a hold of you?
get us hold of us on Facebook for post detailing, or cell phone number 518-819-9027.
There you go, boys. So we're gonna get the car all cleaned up, and then hope to see y'all at the meet tonight. So after they got done cleaning up the car, we did go ahead and have a little meet. I really appreciate everyone that came out. This was the first one I ever threw, and it was really, really cool to have it here in the hometown, have all my personal friends come out. And yeah, definitely more to come in the future. I know a lot of you guys want to see this car. I do plan on taking it to different shows, hosting different events, and giving everyone an opportunity to come out and see it. But once again, for all of you guys that did come out the other night, really appreciate you guys. Much love. But I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. See y'all later.